How to enable or disable manage notification categories for each app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. From here, tap on advanced settings. Now scroll down, then tap on manage notification categories for each app. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Here, once you turn it on, you can manage notifications for each of the app. So here's the notification categories menu will appear on the notification settings screen for each app. So if we go into apps, once you turn it on and we go into apps, so if we go down and tap on apps, and then in each of the apps, you can manage notifications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.